Hola.
Ladies, I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We are sisters in stitches and sisters in real life. And I am doing a thread up. I haven't done this for a while, but I did where I pick the outfits and I threw them in my basket and they sent it to me. So let's get right into it because they do send you quite a bit. So it's a lot of dresses. Because I guess when you do ThredUp, it's a $15 styling fee that you do get credited back. But if you pick your own, you only can pick the clothes that are in the warehouse closest to your house. So you don't have as much choice as if you let the stylist do it themselves. So with that, let's get right into it. This is from INC, International Concepts. And when I pulled this dress out, I said, oh, this looks like a JCPenney dress, actually. And I think INC is...
But then she put it on. And if you look when she tries it on, you'll see. The two white, hold it up. These two white eyes are right where her boobs go. And then I'm looking at it and I'm like, wow, Cindy, that's a skull. That's a sugar skull. Can you see it now when you look at the dress? Like, here's the skull. So I don't know, I just thought, well, I'm not really digging this.
At first when I came out, Debbie said, well, that's kind of a cute dress. It's like a little halter thing for the summer. And I thought,
but then when you really look at it, it's like...
You know, here's the main reason that I'm going to send this back is because the two white spots right on my boobs.
on her boobs.
I don't need to draw attention to that area. So I'm going to let, in this it's a knit, it's a stretchy knit, clingy. So I'm going to send this back. I don't need to draw attention.
But just so you know, that dress
INC
is normally $90 and you can get it ThredUp $24.99. So if you did like that dress, it's a great bargain.
Yeah, I mean, I do like the style, but I just don't like the placement of the print. And I'm not a real big like paisley kind of person, so.
Yeah, I just don't like the skull on the front.
All right, and then the next dress they sent me, and I didn't realize this was a summer dress when I picked it out. It's a 2XL, so I don't know what the brand is, but it's like a schoolgirl dress, you know, with the little plaid down the center. But I came out and it was tight as it was, and Debbie goes, "Are you gonna zip up that side zipper?" And when she did, it was like. And you can kind of tell.
What's the name of the dress?
It's unbranded. The tag's ripped out.
So then I don't even know what there's no color or anything down here to go by. Well, unbranded.
Yeah.
It's a $48 dress you could get for $21.
Yeah, and it's a very lightweight. And then when Debbie zipped me up, I couldn't breathe. And then when she unzipped me after I filmed it, it was like, ah. So yeah, this isn't gonna happen. So
that's
darn
not sticking around.
And then another dress, and this one was by CJ Banks, and I think like Kohl's and Penny sell this. It's a leopard print dress.
It normally retails for $71, but you can pick it up for the low price of $20.
Well, this did nothing for me that I said, and Debbie's like, it looks like you don't even have boobs in that dress. And I'm like, well, I don't want to draw attention to it.
The front isn't, and then the cap sleeves. There was so many like negatives about the dress. I know she loves the leopard print, but it just didn't do her any favors, even for $20.
Yeah, it was not flattering at all to me. So that's another dud.
Grab that.
I'm showing what I don't like first. Okay. And then I got another dress. And this is by, hold on, shut up. This is another cap sleeve dress. And this is by Sheragano.
That retails for $95, and Cindy could pick it up for the small price of $28.
So it's like this little waffle weave kind of stretchy dress. And it did come with a little belt. But do I need to say anything, ladies? Just take a look at it on me. Yeah, I don't even need to say anything. So there wasn't much I liked about it. And then, oh, I had one more dress. And you know what, this is okay. And again, I said this is a JCPenney dress, and it's apartment 9, and JCPenney sells it. And I like the color combination of the turquoise and the brown.
This would retail, suggested retail is $50, but you could pick it up for $21 through ThredUp.
So I don't know. This one's okay, but I just wouldn't wear it enough to even pay $21 for it. I'd wear it once, and then it would probably just hang there forever. What do you guys think? This one had potential, but honestly, I don't know that I would wear it enough. And it's not versatile enough. I could wear brown with it. You know, like a brown sweater or a brown jacket, and I need things that I can mix and match. And now, here are the things that I need help with. This is a jacket by New York and Company, and I really like the color. I think it's too small on me, and Debbie says, well, you don't have to button it.
No, put a scarf on and leave it open, but she says it feels too tight,
Yeah.
so for that reason it's going back.
Yeah, so how much was this?
The royal blue jacket
New
by
York
who?
and Company?
That's the blazer. That's $70, but she could pick it up for $18.
Yeah, and if it would have fit me a little bit better, I probably would have. But even when I like pull my arms like this, darn it, I really like the blazer, just too small. And then I think I had it on with this skirt.
You did. That's a cute skirt. I think I would keep that skirt.
Fashion to figure. It's a black and white.
It retails for $34, and she can pick it up for $16. It's really
It's
cute
stretchy.
on her, though.
It's 16 bucks.
Yeah.
All right, so maybe I have,
That's a heavier material for the winter, or you could wear it in the spring.
yeah, I can wear it with tights and boots or something. So this one I think I might keep. So that's a $16 skirt. So that's not too bad. I can handle that. I don't need help with this because I'm not keeping it. It is just an orange rib turtleneck, and it's got like gold sparklies
It's by
in
Susan
it.
Graver, and it retails for $60, and through ThredUp you can get it for
$60.
$16.
It is not worth $60, but I don't need this turtleneck at all. And I don't, even if it was orange, I might consider it, but with the gold sparkles in it, it screams the wrong decade to me. But that's just me. And then I think I like this top, and I didn't think I would when I pulled it out. And this is by Ava James.
This retails for $60 normally, and you can get it for $16.
So it's got the ruffled hem on the bottom and the little bell sleeves, but I think it's
The black
cute.
turtleneck in the winter would be cute.
Yeah, so with this black turtleneck, I think it would be really cute.
Mm-hmm. With black pants, it'd be really cute.
Yeah, and some pink jewelry. So that might be a keeper, so not bad. And then the other item,
I
the
really,
last
I
item.
really like this on the black, how you're showing it with the black on
This
black.
is from Catherine's.
And that is $60 that Cindy can get for $17.
So obviously you can't wear this by yourself.
Yeah, but you could wear that with
And-
black on black, white on white. I mean, obviously you'd want to wear the same shirt and pants so that
Yeah.
it's a monochromatic look underneath it, so you don't have like a cut in half type
Oh
thing
yeah,
going
no,
on.
it would have to be all the same color.
But you could wear it over several different colors.
Yeah, I could do greens and
And even in the summer, you could wear a tank top and throw that over it to kind of hide your ugly fat arms.
It could be a swimsuit cover-up. Do you think that's what this is? No.
No.
Catherine's wouldn't sell a swimsuit.
No,
Wouldn't that be terrible if I wore a swimsuit cover-up? Is it like a...
Well, it don't cover up much.
So I
Heck of a
think,
tan.
I think with everything that was sent to me, I think I'm going to keep this.
That's
So
really different. I like that.
Yeah, let me know what you think of these choices. And then the other shirt I want to keep is this flowered one, and then this skirt.
That's a good.
So-
That's a good.
And
little
it's not
haul.
that much money, so how much would it be for those 3 pieces?
Okay, so the Ava James is 16.
Okay.
The skirt is
By Fashion to Figure.
16, so 32. And the other thing is the little floral shirt,
Is by Ava James.
and that's 16. So
32, so
30
$48.
Yeah.
40-some dollars
for
these.
3 pieces.
That's not bad. That's like one shirt in every other box.
Yeah.
So, all right, I think I did all right. What do you guys think of my choices? I think Debbie and I actually agree on the choices.
We do. This
So-
time, dot this in your little thing. Wherever it happens.
Yeah. Yeah, Debbie and I both agree. Now watch all the viewers go, oh no,
Oh, no,
you guys
yeah,
were
that
wrong.
stuff was terrible.
All right, well, this was fun. I don't do ThredUp very often. Now I got to get Debbie to do it just to see what comes in her box. But yeah, and ThredUp is not, you just order it when you want it. It's
I did
not
it
a
once.
subscription.
I didn't fare well with it, so I just didn't do it again.
Well, you got to pick out your own this time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I did get a couple of pair of really nice jeans.
Yeah.
But other than that,
But you had the stylist do it. So come on, you guys encourage her to do it. She can pick out her own stuff like I did, and then we'll see how she does. So, okay. Whew. Got through all those clothes. So thanks for watching. We appreciate it. And Happy New Year to all of you. If you haven't seen any of our other videos where we wish you the same thing. So
yeah, and if you haven't seen any of our other videos, you got to go back and watch some because
Yeah.
we have some pretty funny ones. What is that? What is the name of that one that...
it was a BoxyCharm, I think.
It was one of our boxy charms. You got to look it
I'll
up.
put it up
Cindy
here.
turned into the Joker from the Batman. And I mean, it was the funniest video we've done together. I couldn't stop laughing. And Cindy was so out of character in that one. So if you haven't seen us, go back and watch that one because it's actually a really funny video.
I'll put the link up above and in the description so you can share it with your friends. So,
All right.
all right. Thanks again.
Bye, ladies. Thanks for tuning in.